Just to provide context, we used Vimeo here at the agency to store class videos from the courses we have and also sales page videos, VSL, etc. for online product sales. So Vimeo was the tool we used and it was charging us $12 per month, a total of about 800 reais per year.
Then we discovered a tool that costs 5 and 50 reais per month, 60 reais per year.
The difference between 800 reais per year and 60 reais per year is huge, right? And there are also other tools to run the VSL exclusively, right? Which are Brazilian tools. I won't mention the name, but their plan starts at 89.90 per month, 100 reais per month, and then this one costs us 6 reais per month, 5 reais per month. It's very cheap, right? The tool I'm going to teach you about, the only thing I'm going to ask is for you to help me, right? And I'm recording the video, so in gratitude, sign up through my link. It has to be this link exactly as it is here. It's also in the video description. Yes, the capital letters, everything correct for you to already earn $20 as a bonus and 14 days free. And I also get a bonus to continue using the tool, right? Paying for the tool, okay? The tool is bunny.net, as you already know. And I'll get straight to the point here about how much it really costs, okay? Because it's a question people ask me. For those who store videos, photos, files, and so on in Bunny, this is the place. You have to create here, right, your file library, and in storage is armazenamento. You can use Bunny for file backup and so on. Alright, it also becomes quite cheap. I'll show you how much. For those who use it to store video lessons, VSLs, sales videos and so on, this is the place C in Stream. And I already have 2 libraries created here, but you will simply create a library, okay? Where you will store your videos, you will name it here. Like videos, trabalhos, or I don't know, lessons or various videos. Here you select yes to use their new video player, which is even faster than it already was. It was already very fast. And now it has several new configuration options, okay?
And here comes the cool part. Look, it's quite simple to understand. Their main server, I will uncheck here.
Their main server, which is marked here, is located in Frankfurt, Germany, in Europe, okay? So, and for you to store your videos, right? Video lessons, VSLs and so on, only on their server in Frankfurt. An online server, obviously, will cost you 1 cent of a dollar per gigabyte stored. If you have 100 gigabytes stored, it will cost you $1 per month. 1 cent times 100 will be $1 per month, okay? About 5 and 50 reais. Now, if you want to run, for example, VSLs Latam, you know, Latin America, and want to replicate the videos not only on their European server, but also on the São Paulo server, which is the most, you know, the only one they have here in Latin America and the closest to all the countries in Latin America, it will charge you 0.02 cents of a dollar per gigabyte stored. So if you have 100 gigabytes, it will charge you $2 per month, okay? Now, look how crazy this is. Each video normally, I don't know, is 1 gigabyte. If your videos are 1 gigabyte, 100 gigabytes is 100 stored videos, you understand? It's very cheap and I've already tested it, okay? I only leave their main and mandatory server, which is the one in Frankfurt, Germany. I only leave this one, it's cheaper and the video loading is very fast, very fast. So for those who had doubts about how much it costs to use bunny.net, this video here already clarifies your doubt. You created the library here and that's it. Now all the videos that are here will have this cost. If you want to create a library with the European server and the Latin American server in São Paulo, then those specific videos will have a different cost. Adding the two together, it makes 10 gigabytes with 5 gigabytes costing 1 cent and 5 gigabytes costing 2 cents. So you do the math, it will be $1 at the end of the month. You understand? Aqui no sistema lição aqui, não? Much more affordable than other video storage tools, de Vimeo, Panda, VTube, etc. The tools you already know, right? I have nothing against these tools, just the price issue. And here you have everything you need, right? If you have any questions about the price for using bunny.net, you can leave them in the video comments and I will answer you, okay? The only thing I ask you again is register through my link so I get a bonus too, and you already get $20 as a bonus and 14 days free to use the tool, okay? A big hug, God bless, and thanks.